Today I'm making a braided yeast loaf. It's a German recipe called Hefezopf. I'm using a scale, but you can also work with cups and teaspoons. We'll start with 4 cups and a little of all-purpose flour. Then I add a 1/4 cup or 1.8 ounce of sugar, followed by 2 teaspoons or 0.3 ounces of dry yeast. Also add an egg. I need 2.7 ounces of soft butter, and because I forget to take it out of the fridge, I usually put it into the pot to warm it up with milk. We need 1 cup of milk and warm it up to be lukewarm. Once we add the milk and the butter, we can fire up the kneader. After 1 minute, we can add some salt and grate some lemon skin. The skin of half a lemon should be enough. Then we continue to knead the dough. We knead for about 8 minutes. Let me test the dough consistency. It's nice, not too sticky, not too soft, not too hard. Perfect. Then I cover the dough with some cloth and put it away for an hour into a warm area so the dough can rise. After an hour, the dough should have doubled in volume. I prepared a metal sheet with some parchment paper and can now prepare to braid the loaf. Don't forget to put some flour on the board like I first did. Then I cut the dough into 3 about equal pieces and roll them into 3 strings. Then it's time to braid the loaf. The end of the loaves get folded inward, so it's a nice edge. To finish it off, we scramble some egg with a little bit salt and a little bit sugar and brush it onto the loaf. Now we can add some slivered almonds and add some sugar over it. Then we put it into the preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit. After 35-40 minutes it's done. It looks gorgeous. We let it cool for half an hour plus and then we can cut it. This one was actually a little longer, about 5 minutes too long in the oven, so the crust is a little crunchy. but it's still soft inside and it tastes awesome. Freshly baked, I usually eat it straight. A day later, I usually eat it with butter, or I may also add some jam. You can also eat it with ham, which is also very good. Enjoy!